day of the release.
I chase bad bitches, accolades, got will, son, no castaway. I'm twice as good, get half the praise. Throw a sniper up and I'll blast away. You ain't getting through me.
Alright, hey guys, and look what I found here. Yes, a tech support scam. Yes, I'm very excited to call this person or this tech support. If you do enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll upload more videos later, and it'll be more tech support scam, but I'm just gonna be a bit busy in those couple of days, and I'll probably sometimes make a schedule when I could upload YouTube video, and I'll see you when I call this tech support scammer. Bye.
Technical support. This is Travis speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, I got a problem with my computer. Hello?
Yeah, what seems to be the issue?
It says a Zeus virus, the infection detected indicates some recent downloads on the computer, which in turn created problems on the computer call. Call tech support with your number and share this code to whatever B2957E to the agents to fix this. That's what it says.
Sorry to hear about that. We definitely can help you out. With who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today?
Yeah, so can you help out?
Yeah. Do you see an error code on there?
Yes, it says B2957E.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and look that error code up in our database. Hopefully we'll be able to resolve this issue right away. Now, are you the owner of this computer?
Yes, I'm the owner of this computer.
Now, unfortunately, this error code didn't pull up anything in our database. That doesn't mean we can't help you out. What we can do is establish a remote session, which will allow us to do a full diagnostic of your computer free of charge. We'll check your CPU, your processes. We'll then check for any malicious programs and if you have the proper firewall and virus protection. If all that checks out, we'll go ahead and fix your computer for free. If it doesn't, unfortunately, you would need a level 4 Microsoft certified technician in order to repair it, which we would appoint you one. But that is just a worst case scenario. Let's not assume the worst. Let's go ahead and get connected. Now, before we begin, I need to advise you this call may be monitored or recorded for quality and training purposes. And just in case we get disconnected, is your phone number 760-705-8888?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay, great. What I need you to do is on the bottom left of your keyboard, do you see the control key?
Yes.
Okay, right next to the control key, you should see a Windows flag icon.
Yes, I see
That
it.
looks like a flag wavy key. Go ahead
Yeah.
and press the flag key and the letter R at the same time.
Yeah, I clicked
It
Windows
should bring up a
and it
run
said,
box.
yeah, it shows the run box. It shows the run box. Apparently, it says run.
Okay, what I want you to type in that run box is a website. The website is www.g as in golf, O as in orange, T as in technician, O as in orange, A as in assistance, S as in Sandy, S as in Sandy, I as in India, S as in Sandy, T as in technician, dot, M as in Michael, E as in Earth. So altogether it should say www.gotoassist.me. Hello?
It says connect for support. Try the code that you choose.
Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a session code to enter. Give me a second here. Okay, 1 second here. Let me just fix something on my side. I'm terribly sorry for the inconvenience. Just work with me. Let me put you on a brief hold for 30 seconds.
So, sir, are you gonna give the session code?
Yes, I'm going to give you the session code right away. I'm just generating a new one. Our network's running slow for a minute. Just stand by. I promise I'll get you up and running within the next 30 seconds. It's opening up now. We have a very secure way of doing things, so unfortunately it does take a little bit longer, and I'm sorry. I apologize for that. Okay, great. The code I want you to go ahead and enter is 036
036.
43. Yeah, the code I want you to enter is 036 438 856. So altogether, it should say 036 438 856. Once you have that typed in, go ahead and click Start Support Session. On the bottom of the page, it should bring up a Run box. Go ahead and click Run and install the file. It should take
Yeah.
about 30 seconds to a minute. After the file is done installing, it will bring up a series of pop-ups. Go ahead and click Yes, OK, or Continue on any pop-ups. Okay, we're connecting, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and begin the diagnostic process. Let me see if I can get this out of the way for you.
Yeah, that's what it says basically. Do you see it?
Yes. Go ahead and press Control, Alt, and Delete on your keyboard. It should bring up an option for Task Manager. Okay, great. Let me go ahead and take it from here. If I can get this away momentarily, what's causing this pop-up to happen. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up your Task Manager. Do you have a driver booster program on here?
Yeah.
PC Speed.
Yeah.
Those are actually adware programs
Oh,
for them.
I think there's admin.
Okay, so
Admin
what we're going
installed.
to do... What happened, sir?
I said, yeah, I think yeah, you're right. I think they are hardware.
Yeah, they slow down your computer. They're programs that are that come along with when you download a file. It will give you a basic or custom installation. If you don't click the custom, you'll automatically install it. It will begin to slow down your computer. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is check your CPU. Now your CPU generally won't run below 65. It's the heartbeat of your computer. It's running excellent. The next thing we're going to do is check your processes. Your processes you typically want running between 35 and 75. Your processes are running excellent. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next step. The next thing we're going to do is open up your Microsoft System configuration. I'll explain what that is once it's open up. Now, go ahead and bring it up. Okay, this is a list of all the programs either running or using resources on your computer. The programs listed here make up a majority of the programs and processes currently running or using resources. Whenever you download a program or a program is downloaded, it will automatically configure to run continuously in the background of your computer. Some internet downloads will come with extra unwanted programs that can be malicious. Malicious programs can cause your computer to run slow and work harder. Also, error codes can cause your computer to crash if left unattended too long. Malicious programs are long designed to capture your personal information that could lead to identity theft.
Okay, I understand.
So we're going to go ahead and check PCSP Validator. What is that? I'm going to go ahead and check this PCSP validator. I'm not very much, I think that is an adware. I'm just going to go ahead and verify on my side. Let me just double check it. I'm pretty sure that's an adware program. Understand there's thousands and thousands of adware. It's almost impossible for me to remember all of them. That's like remember in a dictionary. Okay, this validator, do you know anything about this PCSP validator?
No, I don't know what the heck this is.
Yeah, what that is, it's just like the PC Speed Up program. It's an add-on that comes. Let me explain to you something. Whenever something says it could basically, make your internet faster,
Yeah.
that's impossible. The only one who can make your internet faster is the company itself. All that stuff is adware and it begins to slow down your computer. All these programs came from you downloading a program and it being an extra add-on, from there being a basic installation, which everyone clicks, then there being a custom installation. They're designed to slow down your computer. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to check your startup processes, make sure you have no adware or anything in there. Your startup process looks fine. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next step. We're going to see if you have any firewall or virus protection on here. Yeah, another thing, you have this PC Speed Up Pro thing running consistently in the background. Once you do a tune-up to your computer, there's no reason for you to have a tune-up program running in the background. That is a bullshit program. Just to let you, sorry, excuse my language, but that is not a real program.
Okay.
If somebody fixes a computer, there's no reason for them to have a tune-up program running in the background. And nor would they design it to continuously run in the background. Okay, so Night System Protector. Do you know anything about that? I'm going to go ahead and look that. That's actually the first time I've seen that.
No, I never heard of that.
Night.
No.
I'm looking it up. It's coming up. It's a scan. Yeah, what it's coming up. It's a malware removal program, and it's from PC Booster and PC Speed Up. So it's actually an adware program. It's not actually gonna help your computer out. So actually, you have no form of firewall and virus protection, which is an issue. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up something called a NetStat, and we're gonna see if there's anybody connected to your network. Now, let me ask you: do you do any online banking, shopping, credit card
Yeah, I
usage,
do all that
taxes, or
stuff.
anything
I
of that
do all that
nature?
stuff. I do all that stuff.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so right now on your computer, nobody should be connected. It's listing four people are connected to your network. Now, we don't know what intention they have. We don't know if they have malicious intent. We don't know if they just want to install, maybe redirect you when you're going to google.com, make you click an advertisement so they'll make money off marketing. We don't know if they're going to affect your network. Well, you'll load a website one day, such as a sports website, and you'll load another website, and you'll be like, why does this one run fast and this one runs slow? And then sometimes it runs fast. That's because they infected your network from your computer, and they'll steal everybody's internet, combine it to one massive database, and use it for illegal activity to take down other people's websites, kick people offline, and all sorts of things of that nature. The next thing they'll do is they'll install a keylogger on your computer. They'll start to log your keystrokes, log basically all your information, get into your personal information, your banking, your taxes, and all that, which will lead to identity theft or credit card theft. That's one of the worst things. We don't know if that's what their intent are, but we do know they're connected to your network. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and open up Notepad, and I'm going to write down everything you need in order to get this computer repaired.
Okay.
With that many people on your network, you need a full network sweep. Understand that. That's to get rid of all the established connections. Okay, so the first
Can you
thing
put
you
Comic
need,
Sans? Can you put Comic Sans on Notepad? I
can I
need
put
bear
what?
with Comic Sans.
Can you show me what you mean? Because it's breaking up when you're talking.
Format. Yeah, I like it like that kind of thingy, and yeah, you're fine, and you could just type, so I could see better.
No problem, sir. Okay, so the first thing you need is a full infection sweep, which is the removal of adware, spyware, malware, ransomware, and viruses. Understand you have no form of virus protection and firewall protection. Each time you get any one of those types of viruses, it goes through your computer undetected, and it starts to build up, will slow down your computer, allow people to get connected to your network, and cause pop-ups and redirect. That's why you need a full infection sweep, and we did locate some adware in there. And there may very well be a lot more. Unfortunately, that would take a scan, and that takes up to an hour, so that's an entirely different scenario. But from what our diagnostic pointed that you already have these issues. Okay, so after the full infection sweep, you need a full network sweep, which is the removal of established connections. Next thing you need after the full network sweep is a 14-point tune-up. What this will do is optimize your PC to factory new, if not better, or reconfigure all the programs, remove all the adware, and you'll have your PC optimized to the fullest extent.
Oh. So how much would this
Most
cost?
importantly,
How much
okay,
would
we
this?
have all different plans. Let me go ahead and ask you, or do you have a Best Buy? Let me just write the last thing down, and then I'll get into that. Okay?
Okay.
I understand. It's better to have everything written in front of us while I explain everything and pricing more easier. Okay, so after the 14.2, the full network sweep and the full infection sweep, you need the proper real-time. Now, real-time AVM is the proper firewall and virus protection. In order for your computer to never go back to square one again, you never get people connected to your network, never a virus to get into there, so it doesn't slow down and all that. Let's say you download a malicious program again, you have the proper protection, it will come up file virus found, file removed. So it's important to get the proper real-time AVM protection. Now, alongside of that, a lot of people think McAfee and Norton and WebRoot are great programs, which they are. We're actually partners with them, but unfortunately, they only cover viruses. They don't cover adware, spyware, malware, or ransomware. That's one of the most, issues today. We have all types of viruses. There's only very few programs out there that cover it all. Now, do you have a Best Buy, Office Depot, or Staples in your area?
Yes.
Okay, well, they have level 4 Microsoft certified technicians. They do excellent work. The turnaround time is 5 to 7 days. They'll do the full infection sweep, network sweep, and 14-point tune-up. Now, they generally charge around $300 and $350. On top of the $300, $350, they do charge a $100 diagnostic fee, so it comes out to around $400, $450. Now,
Yeah.
we have a remote option. It's a little bit different. Just like Best Buy, they have level 4 Microsoft certified technicians. We have level 4 Microsoft certified technicians. Now, we repair your computer just like I'm remotely and wirelessly connected. We repair it wirelessly. Generally takes about 2 or 4 hours. Would you be able to stay off your computer that long?
Yeah, no, no, no.
Okay, well, I mean, generally it takes only 2 hours, but 4 hours is the max turnaround time. Understand when you do an infection sweep and a network sweep and all that, it takes multiple programs. I've seen people get it done in an hour. I've seen 2 hours. Average is 2 hours, but in worst case scenarios it's 4 hours. Now our technicians begin repairing your computer instantaneously upon payment. This includes the full infection sweep, the full network sweep, and 14-point tune-up. It also comes with technical and customer service. Let me explain a little bit about that. Let's say you have a computer issue, you need a printer installed, you need you downloaded something for your iPhone or your smartphone and you don't know how to install it or to work it, you can call us up depending on what plan, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, anytime. Hey, I need this, hey, I need this. It's like having a computer technician in your pocket on call whenever you need them. Now, on top of all that, it also includes the real-time AVM security, which is the proper firewall and virus protection. Now, let me ask you, we have all different plans. Let me ask you, are you in college or school?
No, I'm not in school. I'm pretty old.
No problem. Well, do you have anybody in your household above the age of 55?
No, I'm just 23. I'm 23. I'm 23. 23
That's
old.
not that old. A lot younger than me. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go over one of our most common plans. Now, we have something called also one-time repair. Now, one-time repair is $159. That does not include the software. Understand that. Generally, the software is $100 to $150 per year. So one of our most common plans we have is a combination package is $199. That includes 6 months tech support, 1 year security software. That also includes the full infection suite, full network suite, and 14-point tune-up.
Yeah.
Which would be better for you? Visa, MasterCard, or Discover?
MasterCard.
Okay. Now let me go ahead and I did tell you we're in partners. Now we have another plan, but that's up to you. But this is the best plan. You told me you're 23. I tried to work out the best deal. This is one of our most popular plans. Our other most popular plan is $299. That goes up to 3 years security software, 2 years tech support. Is that something you would want to consider going up? You tell me.
Yes.
It's perfectly fine if you want to go with the 199, but you talk to me. It's my job to advise all these customers on all the plans.
I'll say 299. 3 years security software and 2
Okay.
years technical support.
So, okay, what I need you to do is I cannot enter any of this information. Let me go ahead and explain our process. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to fill out, your full name, your last 4 digits of your credit card, and your email. From that point on, we're going to go to our web page, a checkout link. We're going to check you out for $299. You're going to go ahead and fill out all your information. We can't do any of that, or I'll lose my job. We have very secure protocols here. From that point on, we'll fill out a terms of service page. We'll go through your email. From that point, we'll go to your email. We'll go over the receipt. We'll make sure everything checks out. We'll read the terms of service to you. Then a technician will begin repairing your computer right away. Okay?
Okay.
So what I need you to do is go ahead and enter your first name here, your full name here.
Yeah, I did it.
You got to enter your full name,
Oh, right.
your first and last name. Sorry about that.
Yeah, that's my name.
Go ahead and enter the last 4 digits of your credit card.
Hello?
You enter the last 4 digits of your credit card?
Yes.
Yes. Have you entered the last 4 digits of your credit card?
Yes.
Okay, so the last 4 digits are 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
Okay. Go ahead and enter your email address.
Yeah, that's my email.
Go ahead and click confirm. We're going to go ahead and bring you to the checkout page. Okay, let me go ahead and bring up a page for you.
Okay.
Now this is we're going to check out for 299.98. Okay, go ahead and enter your credit card number, your expiration date, fill out all that. Yes, sir. No dashes or anything. If it's the 8th month and the 20th year, just 0820. If it's the 21st year, 0821, whichever year it is.
Oh,
Sorry about that.
alright, so 3 digit on back.
Yeah, it's the 3 digits on the back of your card, sir. Okay, go ahead and scroll down. There's some more information for you to fill out. Now, on the bottom, there is going to be shipping information. You do not need to fill any of that out. Why you don't need to fill that out is because we're not shipping you anything. We're remotely repairing your computer. And we're going to go
Alright.
through a terms of service page, and we're going to go ahead.
Alright, so just do I fill out the billing information then?
Yeah, just go ahead and fill out the billing information, sir.
Can I ask you a question? Hello, sir. Can I say something?
Yeah, we're go on.
You're a scammer. You are a scammer.
You know, we picked that up 10 minutes ago, though. Are you really heartbroken? Do you think we don't get these calls on a daily basis? You
No.
think you only sold me for 18 minutes? I'm sorry. I
Wow.
think you thought I was
Wow.
heartbroken. You have a great
Yeah,
day,
yeah,
though.
yeah. My thing is, yeah. I just put rogue viruses on, and I put PC Booster, and you see right here, it's a virtual machine. It's a virtual machine right there. It's gonna be it's a virtual machine. Like, look, you see, what's that? VMware tool, and you didn't notice that? How lame is that? How lame are you? How lame are you? And look, that's not hackers. That's just, it's just normal, completely normal. And that's just some people are just connected to my internet. So yeah, what do you got? What do you want to say? What do you want to say, scammer? What do you say? Hello? Let me. He's not saying anything, just saying. Hello. Yeah, he's probably dead. Yeah, and he's not answering anymore, and he got caught. Well, he's a crybaby. I guess I'll shut down. Alright, whatever, I'll reset my PC. Tar file. Wait, I've got reset. Restart guest. Yes, restart. No. Well, this is the tech support scam video, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.